Hey guys, it's Poochie. Today we're going to talk about something that I don't usually talk about on the channel. We are going to talk about how to build an AI influencer model. Okay, a lot of people are making a lot of money with them. They can be flirty, naughty, they can be funny, like a talking gorilla, for example. But there's a lot of different things you can do with AI now that are just fun. So, step one, pick a winning concept. You cannot skip this. Your AI model needs a simple, repeatable identity that people instantly understand. So, number one, you choose a main niche. Flirty plus playful is fans and fan view friendly. Fashion, outfits, try ons. Beauty, glam, and makeup. Fitness and gym girl, girl next door, daily life, or boy next door, daily life. Gamer, nerdy, cute. Spooky, goth, alt. Thrift, vintage girl. So, make the look obvious. Examples: Raleigh's flirty thrift queen. Goth gamer, cute goth gamer girlfriend. Country girl with a naughty side. That's overplayed. That one is. Vintage pinup babe. Your goal: someone sees one pic and goes, oh, that's her. Step two, lock in her identity sheet. So this is your cheat code. You copy and paste and then fill this out for each influencer model that you plan on doing. So here's what it needs to say: the name, age, city, vibe, sweet, spicy, funny, chaotic, classy, bratty, all sorts of vibes. Style: Y2K, vintage, streetwear, glam, goth, athletic. The signature look. Okay. Hair, nails, makeup, glasses, tattoos, etc. Catchphrases: 3 to 5 catchphrases. Hobbies: 5. You need to give them a public job so they can be a student, bartender, professional reseller, whatever, engineer. Her secret side hustle or his secret side hustle. So the secret side, they have a job, say they're a bartender, and their side hustle is they do fan view and they create content. Things that they never do. This is very important. You need to have specific things that your AI influencer will never do. Send nudes, set up in-person meetings. No. Pro tip. So give her one unique thing: a pet, like a cat named Steve. And why this is so hilarious is because ChatGPT is doing this for me, and they're making fun of me because it says cat named Steve with a laughing emoji. But one of my AI models has a cat named Steve. So one unique thing. A cat named Steve can be unique. A tattoo, even if it's tiny little devil heart. Favorite drink: vanilla iced latte, for example. A quirky habit: collects old band tees. That's a cool one, right? Step number 3, create her consistent look. Now, this is the most important part. Consistency is what's going to make your model believable. Okay? So him or her, I know I'm saying this and I'm saying her a lot, but you can do a him model. You can do a dog model. You can do a toy model, like a toy or a cartoon that's come to life. There's a lot of stuff you can do. Just don't break any copyright infringement or intellectual property laws. So pick these and never change them. Hair color and style. For example, long black hair with bangs. Eye color. Don't change it. Skin tone, body type, face vibe. Do they have a soft face? Do they have a sharp face? Do they look cute and innocent or naughty? Makeup style. If you have a female or even an animal, say you have a hot, saucy gorilla and it's just her personality, but she likes to look like a girl. So she wears, lipstick, and even on a gorilla, yes, it can work. And one signature accessory like a choker, hoops, nose ring, something like that. outfit uniform idea. So choose 3 repeating outfits. Okay. This makes it easy. Casual cute is like a crop hoodie plus leggings. A thrift or vintage outfit is a graphic t-shirt and jeans. A spicy outfit, a dress, or a lingerie set. Now your content says consistent and recognizable. Step 4, you want to generate your base photo pack, okay? 30 images. Before you post, you want to build a starter set so you're never stuck. Your 30 photo pack needs to have 10 face close-ups, 10 full body shots, 5 daily life, like in the coffee shop, the car, selfie in the mirror, 5 theme shots, like at a gym, out shopping at a thrift store, in the bedroom, night out, in a club. The secret, always reuse the same prompt structure. Step 5, use a prompt template that keeps them the same. So here is an example of a copy-paste prompt template that works. AI influencer image prompt template. Okay, here we go. A realistic Instagram photo of a beautiful 24-year-old woman influencer with hair description, eye color, skin tone, body type. She's wearing outfit. She is in location, soft natural lighting, iPhone photo look, shallow depth of field, high detail, realistic skin texture, candid pose, slight smile, confident and playful vibe, social media influencer aesthetic, 4K. You got it? I know you're probably going to have to listen to that a few times, but add your consistency anchors every time. Same hair, same face traits, same vibe words, same lighting style. If your AI model starts changing faces, it means that your prompt is missing consistency anchors. And what I do on mine, I use Galaxy AI. So I have these master photos and I go in and I make more simply with the photos that I have. I can actually enter in many photos and set up a whole model. So I can have, let's say, Dita is a model, and I say, hey, let's have photos of Dita in a bikini at the beach. I put that in, and it automatically comes out with photos of my model, Dita, in a bikini at the beach. Galaxy AI is the tool that I used most often. I use ChatGPT sometimes, but Galaxy.ai, the link is down below, and there's a special offer if you click on the link below. Plus, it helps my channel. So, number 6, this is step number 6. Give them content series. This is what makes it easy. You don't want to think of posts every day. You want a system. So, 10 easy recurring series. Okay? Because it really does get hard to figure out what content you're going to give to these imaginary people that you've just made. Outfit rating, thrift haul, before and after glow up, mirror selfie captions, late night thoughts, Q&A box, pick my outfit poll is a good one, sneaky, spicy teaser, gym motivation, good morning selfie. Make your AI model like a real influencer, like a real person. Step 7, make her talk like a real person. Use a consistent voice. Short sentences, emojis, not too many, casual slang, little imperfections to make her or him seem real. Ask questions back. Caption style examples, cute. Coffee, then thrift. What's your plan today? Okay, so then you're saying what you're doing, right? You're posting a picture of what you're doing that you have made, and then you're asking them to engage with you by saying, what's your plan today? Flirty example is, be honest. Would you talk to me if you saw me at a bar? Okay. Spicy teaser. I took pics you're not allowed to see on Instagram. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Then you send them to your fan view. Right? It's brilliant. Step 8, build your funnel. How it makes money. You want a clear path. Instagram, TikTok, into Telegram, into FanView, paid, okay? I set up my own Telegram chatbot where one of my models, I'm still testing it, but one of my models can talk to anyone. and they have to keep giving her stars in order to talk to her. How that works out for me is I get money for those stars. So it's pretty awesome. A simple funnel is Instagram posts equals personality plus visuals. Instagram stories equals polls plus teasing. Telegram equals they get closer access and actual chatting. And fan view, where there is exclusive content that they have to pay for. They can either get a subscription to your channel, or you can message all your followers and say, hey, if you want this content, it's $5. Okay? The golden rule is do not hard sell. Don't sell hard. Just invite. Example line, if you want the unfiltered version of me, you know where to go. Okay? Step 9, post schedule that won't burn you out. This is very important. Here is a realistic schedule. Daily. 1 post or 1 short, 1 reel, okay? 3 times a week, you do story polls. 2 times a week, you do a spicy teaser post. 1 time a week, you have live chat nights and Q&A. And you can batch create content in 1 day and just schedule it out. Step 10, this is very important. You have to keep it safe. You have to keep it safe and avoid bans. No explicit nudity on Instagram or TikTok. Avoid hard selling adult content directly. You do not want to do that. Use soft language, exclusive, VIP, behind the scenes. People are going to figure out what that is, okay? Keep links in your bio clean, okay? So that's it. You can have any AI tool help you. If you want to create your name, your hair color, if you would just want to create the backstory for your model, you can do that in ChatGPT, or you can also do it in Galaxy AI. And I use Galaxy AI for the images because Galaxy AI has all sorts of tools. The link is down below. And the thing I love about them is they give you free tokens every day. So I pay like $20 a month. I get 20 million tokens, but every day they're giving me between like 100,000 tokens and 500,000 tokens that I can use if I just click a button. So it's an awesome system. I love Galaxy AI. You can get basically any tool through Galaxy AI. I've cloned my voice. I have done AI influencer photos, tons of them. Set up basically AI influencer clones. Like I'll do a clone of a model and then I'll just go in and say, I need 4 photos that are, her at a coffee shop. I need 4 photos of her where she's wearing a green dress. I can even put items in or put her at certain locations. Okay, today she went to this restaurant in town, and then show her actually in the restaurant at the town. I can do all that through Galaxy AI. It's an amazing tool. Photos, videos, combinations where you want your AI models together or you want them testing out a product. I do it all the time. So make sure you click below and check out Galaxy AI. It's well worth it. That's it for this video, guys. If you have comments or suggestions even, or you just want to talk about how to do this, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I always try to answer all the comments on my videos. Again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Click that thumbs up button because that makes sure that more people get to see this video, and that really helps my channel. And I appreciate that. Make sure also that you subscribe so you can see more videos like this or other ways to use AI as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Poochie. I'll see you on the next one.